大家好 ，Hello everyone. Tonight we're gonna start cooking dumplings. 今天晚上我们学习做水饺今天呢，我们做一个简易的水饺，是用水饺皮来做。我买了一些馄饨皮。Tonight we can make an easy one. We bought some dumpling wrappers and also 馄饨 wrappers. 水饺皮、饺子皮、还有馄饨皮。今天晚上我们做各种不同的馅料，鸡肉 chicken 鸡肉，牛肉 beef 牛肉，羊肉 lamb。我还有 shrimp. I still have shrimp not done yet, so I purchased all type different fillings. 我买了很多不同的馅子然后呢，我们也买了 egg rolls 这个是春卷皮 egg wrappers 这个是可以做韭菜呀、馅饼之类的都可以用，非常方便。好，首先我们来把葱洗干净。So wash your onion first, cut the head. OK. 这是你的 green onion 是葱，中文是葱 ，in Chinese 烤葱，然后 ginger 姜。So now you're gonna chop it very tiny and prepare for the lesson. Okay? So 这是刀 knife， 案板 cutting board 案板。好，刀，我们来切一点葱，然后先准备着我们的饺子壳你可以切细一点You can really be careful when you cut it Once you're done, you can put a small bowl. You ready to mix later? All right? 葱，切姜 cut the ginger. 切姜 So first you slide them. Okay. In China, 在中国ginger is a very good use when you get cold. 你感冒了。你可以多吃一点姜 You can eat more ginger because the ginger will warm your body 让你的身体很暖和Sometimes ginger with the tea with the honey will heal your colds, your sore throat 你的嗓子疼的时候也可以ginger just like this is enough Okay, take a close look Okay, 姜 I'll put this one here in the big bowl All right So first, I will teach you how to make a filling. Let's use the chicken first, 鸡肉 So it doesn't matter which one you choose. So in American, it's very easy that you just buy the package. They already run chicken, ground beef already made. So it just makes life easier. Okay, this is almost 1 pound. Okay, so I'm going to use mushroom. Wait me a second. I should choose the mushroom. Mushroom 香菇. So I either washed it already. I'm gonna cut some 香菇 and mix with chicken. All right. So 香菇. I'm gonna cut some 香菇. Cut it smaller piece, chop it. So first you cut. So 这个是香菇鸡肉馅儿的。So this is chicken mushroom. Okay. You chop off mushroom and you add with the chicken together will be chicken mushroom. Okay? So this is the major two ingredients 就是这两个食材是最大的。鸡肉和香菇。Everyone like different fillings. Literally, you can use all types of fillings. And okay, now you're gonna put all the mushroom together to the bowl. Mix them. So I already put the ginger under the chicken, so the ginger is under the chicken. We have ginger, 姜, mushroom 香菇. We have green onion. Okay, take a look. I put as much as you want. Okay, so I usually like a lot of green onion. It tastes good with fillings. Okay, now we have mushroom, chicken, green onion, ginger, and all you need to do is put the sauce. Okay, so first you can add olive oil, 橄榄油, olive oil, 橄榄油. Okay, the more oil you put, the better taste and texture the filling will be. So if you don't mind to put a lot of olive oil, feel free to add more. I remember when I was little, my mom always tell me, don't use too much oil. Because I love oil. 这个油是 oil, okay? So now, I grab a chopsticks or forks to mix them. So before you mix them, you need to add more few items. So you have green onion, mushroom, chicken. Right now, we're adding salt. So usually I do not measure. I just put a little bit, then mix, then I add more. Okay. You smell it usually like half teaspoon first. Okay. Then you're gonna put soy sauce, light soy sauce, all type light sauces. I have few. Okay. Soy sauce, same way. Just pour a little bit, maybe 2 or 3 teaspoons first. Okay, this is different type of soy sauce. Both light. 生抽 you put a little bit 生抽. Okay. We have salt and soy sauce, 生抽 light soy sauce. And now we're gonna start to stir. Oh, actually, before we forget the very important ingredient, 13香. So in class, 在课堂上 we learned 13香 is 13 spice. 13香. So basically, Wang Shouyi is the brand. So this guy had this 三香. Look, it's just powder for all the spices. It's a seasoning. It's really nice. I like 13香. Smell really nice. 香 in Chinese means smell nice. So 13香, 13 different ingredients, spice that taste good. So you put them, just sprinkling a little bit on the top. I would say half teaspoon is enough. Our chopsticks is quite, or you could use forks, 叉子, 筷子, 叉子. Some people like use spoon with 勺子. So I'm trying to use 勺子, it's easier. So you mix them with one direction, like clockwise, okay? Mix all of them. You have oil. And get it closer so you can see it. So you mix them with one direction, okay? Mix them. Very well. You have to mix like at least 3 minutes. This is pretty good. Okay, take a look. Now we finish the filling for chicken and mushroom, okay?